everyone, welcome to Jack and Cat Adventures. Today we're going to be making smoked salmon roll-ups. It's in hors d'oeuvre and it is delicious and it's easy. If you don't like salmon or you can't get salmon smoked, you can use the imitation crab in place of the salmon. And if I was using the imitation crab, I would chop up some black olives to go in it on top of everything else we're putting in, okay? So in a mixing bowl, you're going to need 8 ounces of softened cream cheese, 1.5 tablespoons of horseradish,
and if you can get fresh horseradish, use that. It's much stronger and better.
okay, and then you're going to need 2 tablespoons of Hellmann's. Do not use Miracle Whip. It has to be either Duke's or Hellmann's, okay? Now we're going to mix that together. And while that's mixing, you can chop up a 1/4 cup of red peppers. You can use fresh if you like. I'm using the roasted red peppers in a jar because that's what I like. You're going to need about 3 or 4 green onions chopped fine. And I'm going to shred this salmon to put in. But we want this to mix together. Alright, now I'm going to put in my peppers once my stuff is creamed. And my green onion.
Don't use the knife to scrape your hand. Oh my God, we're not going to the emergency room today.
Alright. Let me wash my hand real quick. Okay, and now I'm going to take the salmon. Jack took the skin off for me. A friend of ours smoked this, and it's from Alaska, so it's probably delicious. I don't like salmon, so I can't tell you what it is.
Thanks, Tommy.
So I'm just going to maybe pull it apart with my fingers, mush it together, and just get it broken up. Now I'm going to put in my shredded salmon. I'm only going to put half of this in because that's an awful lot. I probably can make 2 recipes with this. I'm just going to see. And
I'm just going to sample.
Just mix it till it's combined. That looks great. Okay.
I have to sample some more. Let's go over and see what it looks like in there. Oh.
That's what it looks like. Okay. Alright. I'm going to wash my hands and then we'll continue. Alright, now you're going to take a flour tortilla. I'm using the big ones. If you want to use small, go ahead. And you're going to put some of this on your tortilla. And then you're going to just mush it around. You can use a butter knife if you don't have an offset spatula.
Cat has hers in a holster at all times.
Yep. Okay. Just a little bit more. Now you want to make these the day before because they have to go in the refrigerator overnight, okay? Because then after that we're going to cut them tomorrow when everything's hard on the tortilla. Alright, so you don't need a lot because you're going to roll it and it's going to be like a pinwheel. So all you're going to do is take your side and start rolling it and just roll it up like a pinwheel. Alright, and then what you're going to do is you're going to wrap these in saran wrap and you're going to put in the refrigerator until tomorrow. Alright, so it's the next day and our smoked salmon rolls are perfect. So what you do is you want to cut off the ends because they won't fold very nicely. And so
just fine.
So what I do is I'm cutting mine about maybe what, a 1/4 inch?
That's about a 1/2 inch.
1/2 inch on a diagonal, but you can just cut them rounds if you want, and then just place them on your tray and you're ready to go. So please like, share, comment, and subscribe, and remember, you do you.